Hello, and welcome to Theatre Bites, essential theatre knowledge in minutes. Today, we're diving into the bold, booming world of Roman theatre, where performance met politics and spectacle ruled the stage. Roman theatre was heavily inspired by the Greeks. They borrowed ideas, stories, and even theatre layouts. But the Romans made everything bigger, louder, and more spectacular. Think of Greek theatre, but with extra drama. Roman plays were typically comedies with slapstick humour, mistaken identities, and clever slaves. And tragedies, often adapted from Greek myths, but with even more violence. The key playwrights included Plautus, who wrote fast-paced comedies that inspired Shakespeare, Terence, refined comedy with more complex characters, and Seneca, a philosopher who wrote dark, bloody tragedies. He was also a big influence on Renaissance theatre. Roman actors wore masks, tunics, and often performed in semicircular stone theatres with built-in acoustics. Unlike the Greek chorus, Roman plays focused more on individual characters and direct action. They also used music, dancing, and often crude humour to entertain the masses. Theatre was part of the Roman idea of bread and circuses, which is free entertainment to keep the public happy. Emperors controlled what was performed, using theatre to promote values and loyalty to Rome. Over time, performances became more about spectacle and less about storytelling. From clever comedies to violent tragedies, Roman theatre shaped what we still see on stage today. Thanks for watching Theatre Bites, your shortcut to essential theatre knowledge. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support the channel. And if there's a topic you'd like me to cover, then leave a comment or suggestion below. I'd love to hear what you would like next. Until then, see you in the next bite.